See which key compatible with you.
Yeah.
So you have to tell me if you would want to go higher or lower. But
I want to higher.
Yeah, lower, yeah.
But I'm much lower.
Oh, alright.
Me now, what if me try with this naturally first, we see how I feel, and then if anything.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Me like all that sound. Me could have practiced if do it in a this, you know. Or maybe the little lower key, you say, right? Would have cause me for hold them. I know they're even more steadier.
Okay.
You know that I know to me. What do you think?
It sound good. So if I don't know, it's up to you still.